Okay, we are going to start the next chapter, and next chapter is accounting standard and international reporting system. Okay, international financing reporting system. In this chapter, we are going to study about the accounting standard and gap, about the account international financing reporting system. So first, we are going to start with the accounting standard. So then rule and regulation and thesis and some guidance is given, that is called accounting standard or system. You can say the system also. If you are following these all system and rule and regulation and guidance, then you are easily perform your accounting. And you are not following, then you are facing some problem. These all rule, regulation and system given in accounting standard by the some research. Okay, so we can easily utilize this standard, and by the utilize this standard, we can easily follow up our accounting, utilize our accounting for the different type of business. Okay beta, that is the accounting standard. Okay, clear? The need of accounting standard is clear. Now we are going for the next topic, and next topic is utility of accounting standard. What use for the accounting standard? If we are going to utilize the accounting standard or using the accounting standard in our business, so what type of benefit we are received in future? So first is accounting standard improve the reliability. Okay, reliability and reliability. If you are utilizing the accounting standard, then your accounting and your accounting information is reliable, useful, because you are following the rule and regulation, because you are following the guidance and standard. It's very reliable or useful for you all. Okay beta, then go for the next accounting standard extender. After the utility just is providing you qualities of your information, of your accounting. Okay beta, it's provide you quality, it's provide you efficiency, it's provide you guidance, and by the utilizing, your efficiency will increase because you are going to utilize the standard. Okay beta, if you are utilize the standard, then you are easily improved your efficiency. Okay beta, next, effectiveness. Okay, if you are going to utilize the accounting standard, your information is effective, your information is given some quality, and by the quality your information, effective information you have. Okay beta, effective information you have, and by the utilize the accounting standard, you can classify, you can utilize the different account, you can present the data in a systematic way. Means accounting standard is given you some path on which you can run with your accounting very easy. Okay beta, very easy. Then helpful in assessment. If you are following the accounting standard, so any person is going to the research, or any person is going to the study about your accounting, they are easily take the study or easily take the knowledge about your accounting, because you are following the standard, and that the standard is following by everyone and known by the everyone. So they can easily understand if the CA or checker or auditor is coming in your business and then want to just study or check your every accounting system, so they can easily check because you are following the standard, and that standard they well known. So you can utilize the standard, then you can get the many type of benefit by the standard. Okay, Then in the book, many standard is given. You can easily read that in standard. Now we are going for the gap. GAPP gap. What is the gap? Generally accepted accounting principle. Means the principle which generally accepted by all. Okay, beta? The principle that generally accepted by all, that is called generally accepted accounting principle. Means we are going to follow the many principle that can easily utilized by the all of the business, or you can say that is used by the different type of business, the all the business. So we are saying that is generally utilized accounting, generally accepted accounting principle. Okay, okay beta, that will utilized by the all type of business, and that principle is generally accepted by all business. Okay beta, now we are going for the next is the international financing reporting system. What is the international financing reporting system beta? The word is given international means for the all word. Reporting, finance means relate with the finance. Reporting means report, and system in the system. Okay, means the reporting system that will easily utilize for the all country. Okay, the system we are following, the standard or system we are following, international financing reporting system. Okay beta, international financing reporting system. In this system we are going to utilize the principle or rule or a standard which is following by the internationally. Means if we are going to follow this type of reporting system, so that we can utilize our accounting, or you say we can given our accounting information in any country, because we are going to following the reporting system of internationally. Okay, that system is understood by the all. That system will understand by the all country. All country just follow the system of that. Then if you are following the international financing reporting standard, then you can utilize your business to the other country also. It means multi-dimensional company or multi companies, big size of companies, they are going to follow this system, because their business will work in more countries, more than one or two or three countries. So then they are going to follow the international reporting system, by which they give the information for the all system for all country. The person they are just sitting in the other country, they can easily understand the all things. Or other country person, other countries market easily understand this reporting system. Okay, beta, that is called international financing reporting system. Okay beta, and the next is the assumption, go concert assumption. In international reporting system we are going to following the going concert, because the just same all the business is going on continuously, so that going accounting is good going on, because the transaction and function is going on, then accounting is also going on. So we are in the time of reporting system, we are going to follow the going concert. Okay beta, then accrual, both type of system we are going to utilize, cash and credit both. We are not going with the only cash or only credit, we are going with the cash and credit both. We are utilize both system in our reporting system. Okay beta, okay, then next is the need of IFRS. It's very important beta. Why need? Because nowadays all the companies is try to increase his business to the 2, 3, 4, 5 countries. Big size of companies there. There are multinational companies there. They are working on the 5, 10, 20, 40, 80s. countries. Okay, so they have to need this type of reporting system because they are given the information or report for the every country, and every country, if they are following the same type of reporting system, so then they are easily given the information about the business or things. Okay, beta. Then easy to achieve the capital of globalized things. Okay, if you are following the reporting system, so then you are easily received or arrange the capital for the other country also. Okay, beta, because your information that is given by your account, that will following to the international reporting system, and that will very easy to understand for the others also or other countries also. So by that you are easily achieve the capital market. You can easily assign in a capital market for the other countries. Okay, beta. And utilizing by this all easy to make competition or comparison. Okay, beta, if you are going to follow this system, you follow the reporting system, international reporting, financial reporting system, you can compare with the other company, other countries company. Okay, beta, you can easily compare if you are following the international financing system, because they are following and you are following, both are the following the same system, same type of system, so then both are easily compare the things. Okay, beta, utilize the financial reporting, and if you are following the international reporting system, then your reporting or your financial standard or financial information can utilize by the all countries. Okay, beta, all country person, all country shareholder, all countries researcher, they can easily utilize. Okay, beta, low cost of capital rising. If you are utilizing international financial system, then you can arrange your capital for the other country also. So then low cost of arranging your capital. Okay, because you can easily arrange your capital from there only. Okay, and you can fair valuation of the assets and liabilities or all assets. Okay, and then you are, because the all assets are liability value from the different country for different. Okay, beta, so then if you are utilizing the international reporting system, then you can easily give the information and evaluate your assets, and same way you can easily evaluate your liabilities and other things, and you can utilize your accounting for the all countries, because you are utilizing international financing system, international financing reporting system, international finance reporting system. So that type of finance reporting utilize for the all country, so you can utilize, you can take the all benefit for the different countries. Okay, beta. Then after this, some more topic is there, but that is just less from your syllabus. So up to this is clear, I think. Some more benefit is given as like that. First is helping globally taking the market. If you are utilizing the information system of international reporting system, so all the person, all the country, all the market, different of countries, they are easily to understand, and if they are easily to understand, then they are given the money, investing the money. Okay, beta. Then helping in the investors. If other you are using the international financing reporting system, so other countries investors also to understand your things, so that is help for the investor also, that is help for the calculating of inventory also, low cost or arranging the finance also, they are helping to the professional, they are going to research from that countries, helping to the tax person, helping to the other government, other countries government, they are giving the different type of benefit for the different person, if we are going to utilize the accounting, the international financing reporting system. Okay, Now we are going to finish this chapter. This chapter is finished. Okay. Clear? These all. What things we are studying in this chapter, beta? First, need of accounting standard. Then many type of accounting standard. Then GAAP, generally accepted accounting principle. Then international financing reporting standard or system or standard, his benefit, its nature. Okay, these are given in this question. Okay.